Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to review the Sandisk Extreme SSD. I'm going to share all the important things that you need to know, and this video is going to have 3 parts: the pros, the neutral, the cons. Let's start. So let's start with the pros. It's lightweight, portable, and small. So even if you want to just put it to your pocket, you can do that. Then it's Ip5 rated for water and dust resistant, and it's going to withstand up to 2 meters drop. Now what I like is the connection too. Connection is with the USB-C here. And when I'm going to just connect it, immediately it recognized my laptop. So the connection, even for me, is like, what, 2-3 seconds? So that's a really good too. Now, when I go further, it works extremely fast. So when I want to transfer some files, let's say movies, pictures, I like how fast it is. And now comes neutral and the cons. So I don't have any neutral thing about this SSD, but I have one con about this SSD, and that's the cable. So I'm just using my own cable right here, but this is the cable that I got with the package, and look at this, how short it is. So that's the only negative thing that I have, is that the cable is pretty short. Other than that, this SSD, in my opinion, is great. How portable it is, how lightweight, how fast. Also, even when I touch it, the design is great. It's smooth. So for me, this is a solid 4 out of 5. The only thing that I don't like is the short cable. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.